Welcome, in front of me is a REALME C75, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings, then scroll all the way down to About Device, and click on Storage right here, swipe down on it, and at the bottom you'll find your SD card. Select it, and when we say done, you can see we have the option to format SD card. And here, just want to select Format SD card for portable storage. Now be very mindful, this does delete all the data that is stored on the card. So if you have anything there that you'd like to preserve, make a backup copy of it before you go any further. Once you click on it, it automatically formats it. And this only takes a couple seconds and should be right about done. And there we go. SD card formatted, and there we go. Everything is done and your card is ready to be used once again. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.